Hi, this is Parshuram, and in this video I'm going to give a complete brief introduction about digital marketing and also modules included in digital marketing. So in this video I'm going to give you about modules covered in digital marketing in a perfect way with examples. So firstly, what are the modules are there in digital marketing? So in digital marketing, we have website creation, search engine optimization, commonly known as SEO, Google Ads, social media optimization, social media marketing, email marketing, video marketing, mobile marketing, Google AdSense, Google Analytics, Webmaster Tools, online reputation management, and affiliate marketing. So these are the modules which we are going to cover in digital marketing. So now, firstly, I'll be giving a complete information about each individual modules with examples. So firstly, you will be learning about a website creation. So what is website? How to create a website? How to purchase a domain? What is a domain? What is hosting? What is server? So these all the things you will be learning about in the website creation. So many people will be asking that, okay, I am not like coding person. I don't have any language, coding languages known. I don't know even CSS, I don't know HTML, I don't know JavaScripting, I don't know any kind of coding. But how can we design a website with those without this knowledge? Yes, nowadays we have a tool, a CRM tools. So if you know drag and drop, we can design a website within short period of time. So in this website creation, I am going to cover you about how to create a website through WordPress websites. WordPress tool. So WordPress is one of the CRM tool. So it's like we can create a website without having any coding languages. So if you don't have any coding languages also, we can create a website. So how to create those kind of website within short period of time? In this website creation module, I will let you know how to create a website. So this is about the module. Next one is search engine optimization. So many people who knows the knowledge of digital marketing knows SEO, but many people will be thinking that if you know SEO, you are a techie person of digital marketing, or if you know SEO, you are a digital marketing pro. So many institutes are giving a wrong information that if you know SEO, you are not a digital marketing expert. You are just SEO expert. So what is SEO? Okay. So SEO is nothing but we call commonly known as search engine optimization. So in this search engine optimization, I will let you know that if you want to search any information on online, either it could be Google, Yahoo, or Bing, any kind of search platform. So why do you search search anything in the search engine? Just to know the information. Okay, it could be any information. Either it could be digital marketing information, either it could be information related to entertainment, or information related to fitness, or any kind of information we'll be searching on Google. Let's take example of Google as one search engine. We have remaining search engines. I'm taking an example of Google because Google is well-known search engine than Yahoo and Bing. Okay. So it will be taking around 3 to 6 months to get particular keywords in the top position. Okay. So if you want immediate results, we cannot get a result in SEO. So we go with other modules. Okay. So this is about search engine optimization. Next one is about Google Webmaster Tools. So this Google Webmaster tool is simple, one of the part in SEO. So if your website is online, so then Google starts indexing your website. Okay. Website indexing is nothing but whatever the errors which are there in your website can be solved in Google Search Console. Nothing but call as Google Webmaster Tools. So in Google Webmaster Tools, whatever the website what we had, whatever the mistakes what we have done in our website, this will be showing like a notification part. So our website is completely indexed in Google Webmaster Tools. Next one is search engine marketing. As I've said you that search engine optimization So SEO. So SEO is nothing but bringing the website in the top position in organic way. So there we does not pay any 1 rupee also to anyone, and we get the keyword in the top position. Now search engine marketing is nothing but again the same thing. So here SEO is nothing but organic way. Here search engine marketing is nothing but it's a complete paid way. We pay amount for the Google and bring the keywords in the top position. So for example, best mobiles under 25,000. Now I want to purchase a mobile which is range of below 25,000. So immediately you will be getting these sponsor ads. Okay, these sponsor ads are nothing but called as Google ads. So how to get your website immediately in the top position? Okay, so that is nothing but search engine marketing, which we also known as Google ads. So how to create Google ads account, how to create an ad in the Google, so that all the things you will be learning in search engine marketing.